Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to EVS class. So today we are going to start a new textbook. That is a Sem 2 textbook. All of you want to take the textbook and open the science EVS part. Aren't you so happy? Yes. Okay. So what is the name of our first chapter? That's about the plant life. Take the book and open the chapter plant life. So from first standard, we studied something about plants. Are you remembering? Different types of plants are there? Yes. Plants are so important for us. Without plants, our life is not possible here. We can't live here over this earth without plants. Okay. So today we are going to study something more about plants. ചെടികളെ കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് അധികം പഠിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണെന്ന്. ഓക്കെ റെഡി യെസ് സോ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് അബൌട്ട് ദ ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് പ്ലാന്റ്സ്. So around us, when we are looking around us, we can see different types of plants. All plants are not alike, isn't it? When you are going for a forest walk or a nature walk or a small outing near to your house, ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടോ എല്ലാവരും? പുറത്തൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് പോയി വൈകുന്നേരം പുറത്തു കൂടെയൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് ചുറ്റിക്കറങ്ങി നടക്കാറുണ്ടോ? Okay, at that time we can see the different types of plants are there. Today you have to find out the 3 types of plants present in your own area or in your own locality. So what type of plants you have to see? What are the 3 types of plants? They are the trees, shrubs and herbs. So first of all we can see what is this tree. Trees are very big. മരങ്ങൾ. Big tall plants are called trees and they have a thick stem. They have a thick part called a stem. Don't you know what is the stem? Look the figure. Yes, you can see the stem. Stem is the hard brown colored thick part. Okay, the stem of trees that's usually known as trunk. Because of its heavy and hard size, it is called a trunk. And the trees has a number of branches. കുറേ കൊമ്പുകളുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ചെറിയ പ്ലാന്റ് അല്ല, വലിയ ട്രീ ആകുമ്പോൾ എന്തുണ്ടതിന് ഒരുപാട് കൊമ്പുകളുണ്ട്. എ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ബ്രാഞ്ചസ് ആർ ദർ ഫോർ എ ട്രീ. ആൻഡ് ദ ട്രീസ് ക്യാൻ ലിവ് ഫോർ മെനി ഇയേഴ്സ്. കുറേ വർഷങ്ങൾ ജീവിച്ചിരിക്കും ട്രീസ്. ഇപ്പം നമ്മളൊരു ട്രീ നട്ടാൽ ഇഫ് യു ആർ ദിസ് പ്ലാന്റിങ് the sapling of any mango tree, jackfruit tree, then coconut tree, what it may be, what will be there? It can give fruit and also shadow to you and also your own next generation, your own kids. So trees can live for many years, hundreds, 200s. Some trees they can live for thousands of years. Okay, so can you name the trees? Give some examples for trees. What are they? In your textbook it is given gulmohar, banyan tree, ashoka tree, coconut tree, etc. Banyan tree, ashoka tree, gulmohar tree, all these are the examples for trees. What are the trees that is present around us? നമ്മുടെ ഏരിയയിലുള്ള ട്രീസ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? ജാക്ക് ഫ്രൂട്ട് ട്രീ, മാംഗോ ട്രീ, ടീക്ക്, കോക്കനട്ട് ട്രീ, പപ്പായ, എക്സെട്ര. A number of weak trees are also there. Then hard and strong trees are also we can see. Then the second category of plants, they are the shrubs. Shrubs are plants that have medium height and many branches. Shrubsinu kore branch കാണും, but they are not so tall, not so big as that of the tree. Okay, they have thin stems and they are also living for many years but not for large years, long years, living for a few years only. 2 years, 3 years, maximum 4 or 5 years. Okay, so it is not able to live for a long years like that of trees. And they have thin stems. They have thin stem. Their stem is green color and also thin. Okay, example rose, hibiscus, jasmine, etc. All these are the trees. Lemon, trees, the shrubs near to us. Then the third category of plants, that is called herbs. Herbs are very small plants with soft and thin stems. They live for a few months only. Example coriander, spinach, mint, etc. What are the herbs that we can see? If we are entering to the courtyard of our house, we can see a number of grass are there. Grass is one of the herb. So is the grass is living for a long year? No, it is only for a short period of time, usually 2 months, sometimes 1 month only, 2 or 3 months only. That is the life of this grass. Okay, so this category of plants, the plants with a very small plants, and also very thin stem and very short stem, sometimes only we can see the branches. Okay, sometimes there is no branch. In some cases, some of the herbs, they are showing very small branches that is near to the base itself. Okay, these are called herbs. So examples of herbs also we got. Then read the chapter or read the page very carefully and study about herbs, shrubs and trees. Okay, don't forget to read the topic. Thank you.